Have you ever tried to go ahead and play the Crabada game but have absolutely no idea how to add the Swimmer Network and connect it to your Metamask? Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that. It's really simple. You can just go ahead and head over to the Swimmer Network website here. Before we move any further, make sure you subscribe and hit that notifications bell so you can see all of the future blockchain tutorials I'm making for you guys. Then head over to the Swimmer Network and go to Swimmer Explorer here. And from there, it'll take you to Avascan. And all you have to do is go ahead and hit Swimmer Chain on Avalanche and up at the top and press Add Network. And it'll go ahead and add the network to your Metamask. Now, Swimmer Network is a lot cheaper than using Avax, and it's a lot faster because it doesn't require all the confirmations, and it's basically a layer 2 built on the Avax using the Avax security as a backend. So anyways, I hope that helped you guys, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Have a great day, everybody.